Prairie dogs are small, social mammals that live in the grasslands of North America. They're not dogs at all, but they got their name from their distinctive barking calls that sound a bit like a dog's bark. They are herbivorous, burrowing ground squirrels. Prairie dogs live in complex underground communities called towns or colonies, which can consist of hundreds of individuals. These towns have a hierarchical social structure. Prairie dogs are known for their intricate communication system. They have different vocalizations to warn the colony of predators, with distinct calls for specific threats like hawks, humans, or snakes. Prairie dogs are considered a keystone species because their activities have a profound impact on the entire ecosystem. Their burrows play a vital role in the ecosystem by aerating the soil and promoting plant growth. Many other animals, like burrowing owls and rattlesnakes, depend on their burrows and forage in the areas they maintain. While they primarily eat grasses, prairie dogs have a diverse diet that includes flowers, leaves, seeds, and even insects. Prairie dogs hibernate during the winter months to conserve energy. They can go without food for several months while in hibernation. In the wild, prairie dogs typically live for 3 to 5 years. However, in captivity, they can live longer, up to 8 years or more. Prairie dogs are known for their playful antics, which include jumping, chasing, and even kissing each other. These behaviors are believed to strengthen social bonds. Some prairie dog species, like the black-tailed prairie dog, face habitat loss and population decline due to urbanization and agriculture. Their conservation is crucial to maintaining a balanced ecosystem.
The Amazonian manatee, or South American manatee, known as the sea cow, is an aquatic mammal that can be found in the rivers, swamps, and wetlands of the Amazon River and its surrounding waterways. They can reach 2.8 meters in length and weigh half a ton. Their streamlined bodies and paddle-like flippers allow them to gracefully navigate through narrow channels and shallow waters. When swimming, manatees sometimes do flips underwater or roll about, and they even swim upside down. Feeding primarily on aquatic vegetation, these herbivores spend their days grazing on a variety of aquatic plants. Their large, flexible lips are perfect for grasping and tearing through plant material, helping them to meet their nutritional needs as well as to maintain balance in marine and freshwater ecosystems. In the course of a day, they may eat up to 8% of their body weight. They feed mostly during the wet season, when there is plenty of new vegetation, storing the food in their fat reserves. All of manatees' teeth are molars, and their consistent tooth regeneration makes herbivorous grazing a breeze, especially since the grasses they eat are often riddled with sand. Although an Amazonian manatee has very small eyes, surprisingly, it can see very well and has great hearing ability, despite having no outer ear structure. An Amazonian manatee has endearing whiskers all over its snout. Despite being sea creatures, manatees closely resemble elephants in their lineage. The first recorded spotting of a manatee in North America was by Christopher Columbus in 1492, who thought the manatee he saw was a mermaid. This species belongs to the order Sirenia, of which only 4 species remain today. The other 3 species are the West Indian manatee, the West African manatee, and the dugong. Because of persistent hunting for its meat and oil, it has become a rare sight. Thankfully, there are dedicated organizations and rescue centers working tirelessly to protect and rehabilitate injured or orphaned manatees.
Is it a beaver without a tail? A hairy pig without a snout? No, it's a capybara, the largest rodent in the world. Originally thought to be a pig of some sort, we now know that the capybara is a rodent closely related to cavies and guinea pigs. They are native to South America and are often found in lush aquatic environments like marshes, swamps, and near rivers. These gentle giants can weigh up to 150 pounds and stand about 2 feet tall at the shoulder. Due to its dry skin, water is a source of life for the capybara, and they eat water plants and grasses and use the water itself to hide from the watchful gaze of predators. They have webbed feet like frogs and ducks, helping them to swim fast. Plus, their eyes, ears, and nostrils are on top of their head, which lets them stay mostly submerged for long periods of time. During the dry season, when their food is less nutritious, their small intestine grows, helping to absorb more nutrients. In the wet season, their intestine contracts, as nutritious vegetation is bountiful. This flexible digestive tract is key to their survival. An adult capybara can eat 6 to 8 pounds of grass per day. They also eat their own poop to get beneficial bacteria to help their stomach break down the thick fiber in their meals. Capybaras usually live in small groups of about 10 individuals, made up of a dominant male, 1 or more females, 1 or more subordinate males, and several young. During the wet season, as many as 40 capi may be found together. Capybaras are known to form some unlikely friendships with other animals. From birds perching on their backs to monkeys hanging out with them, capybaras seem to get along with everyone. It's a true testament to their easygoing and friendly nature. These friendly giants continue to capture our hearts with their social behaviors, aquatic antics, and unique role in the ecosystem.
If you enjoyed this one, you'll love these videos. The Weird World of 3 Wacky Wonders. A Chameleon's Tale, a butterfly's ballet, and a frog's fairy tale with a twist. The Feathery Three Stooges. Be sure to check out the other videos and subscribe to Being Creatures.